Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. I've got a great simple biscuit or cookie recipe for you today. Only 3 ingredients: almond meal, sugar and eggs. So it's gluten-free. So come with me and let's see. The simple 3 ingredient biscuit recipe has 200 grams of almond meal. Then we need 100 grams of caster sugar. Then we add 2 egg whites, just crack them into a little cup. We'll mix it all together till it forms a paste, and that's our cookie dough. Really simple. Then we'll form it into little balls and bake them in the oven. Now we have our 2 trays lined, ready for the oven, and I've got my oven preheated on 160 degrees. So I'm just going to grab a little spoon. I've got a soup spoon, I'm just going to roll it. So the cookies are in the oven. We're going to cook them for 10 minutes. They need to be golden brown, so I'll check them after 10 minutes and then I'll come back. The time has gone off and it's 10 minutes. But they need a little bit longer, they're still not quite brown, so I'm going to add another 3 minutes. Hopefully that'll do the trick. So our cookies are made and I'm going to taste them for you. Soft center, crunchy outside. If you liked what you've seen today, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want the recipe, see the link below. You can see all my recipes at suemariep.com. Bye.